You get to the training centre, you get to the conference centre, you've got your flip chart, you come to start to use the flip chart, and it comes off. And what's happened here is that this is broken. And it's happened so often and so frequently to me that I've got a solution. Okay. What you need are these. They're giant crocodile clips. You can get them from a pound store or a dollar store, whatever the currency is in your country, and this is how you use them. You place one there, one there. Problem solved. The other thing I use these for is classroom discipline.